Heading to Berners Beach now. I was talking to someone yesterday and they said that the beaches are a lot nicer than and sandier over on the west side of the Yorke. So the distance between the two sides is only about 40 kilometres. So we will still get back to check out Edithburgh and the other few towns that we drove past this morning. So it's not a problem, and we've got plenty of time just to zigzag backwards and forwards across this Yorke Peninsula anyway. And we're not in any rush. So we'll see you at the next spot. Just passing by some salt lakes. There's so many salt lakes down here in South Australia. Rocks again, Larry. I thought this was meant to be a beach camp. Although she said another kilometre, didn't she? Oh yeah, because now you've got the hill on the side there to the left. And I think when I saw a picture there was a beach with that hill behind it. So it must be just up a bit further. Just wouldn't like anybody to come the other way. Oh. So that other beach that was just back there, that's Point Souter. Here's the beach. Oh. It's interesting landscape up there. She's a bit rough, but she looks pretty. Plenty of water here, not like the last spot. Oh, there's the beach. Oh, wow. Looks a little bit more promising, Larry. So while Larry's setting up the caravan, I just came down for a quick look at the beach, just to see if it is as nice as what it looked coming in. I think we will enjoy ourselves here. So as soon as camp was set up, we were in that water. It was 40 odd degrees, so this is our view from the water looking back to the beach and to camp. And we even spotted the resident stingray going past. Just lovely down here on the beach this morning. There's nobody down here. It's just the sun's coming up. It's going to be a lovely day today, I think. Looking back to camp, where Larry's still in bed. So later that day we went up to the rocks further up the beach and decided to see if we could see anything interesting underneath. We did spot a few colourful fish. deep, is it here? Is it still shallow? Okay. I don't want to be too far out the ocean because I haven't got a life jacket on. So we're trying to paddle right out to, or up to Point Souter today. We'll see if we make it or not. It's quite a long paddle and we're paddling against the wind, but at least it'll be easy to come back. I'm going to go till I can see Point Souter Beach, because that'll be interesting. So around that bend, yeah. And if all else fails, we just climb out and walk back and get the car. Be all right going back. We'll have the wind behind us. Look at all the shags. What was that? Something there. Dolphin. So we did see a few dolphins playing out here, but they're a little bit hard to see. Mainly their dorsal fins popping through the surface. Comment below how many you spotted. So we're just paddling along, and who did we come across? Our mate Brad. So of course Larry and Brad had to have a chin wag. Is Larry waiting for me? I think it's time to turn back because I just ran aground on a rock. Let's hope I didn't do a puncture, or I might be walking back. Anyway, we made it up to Point Souter, and the wind is going to be behind us on the way back, so it should be a bit of an easier paddle. It was hard work going up here, but now we'll be on our way back. So there's the shags on the rock. We're just leaving Point Souter now. I'm just going to kayak past the boat ramp and then all the way over there to the distance to Berners Beach, where we're camped. And there's Larry still paddling away. Great paddle. Not too far to go now back to camp. I think it might be time for a swim now. I love that sound when you get home safely. Hey? Oh well, if I put a hole in it, I just have to get another one. They're cheap as chips being kings, but gee, they work well. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Gee, I'm a fast paddler, aren't I?